Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Marty from Best RV in Turla, California. Tonight we're presenting you 2025 Keystone Outback OBX. Nice aerodynamic, one-piece, gel-coated cap with a nice LED lighting. Then also I have half this is diamond plated, so it's good for rocks. Propane tanks, two versus some brands they put one. Also, this one has the off-road tires with, as you see here, torsion bar axle. It's a big deal that torsion bar axle. It gives you very independent suspensions, a smoother ride. It's the same axle they use in the most expensive trailer, Airstream. So it make it easy, less bouncing on your stuff inside the trailer. Also, what I like about it, they give you outdoor barbecue grill. Come with it, outside sprayer. A nice wheel fender cap, TV hookup outside. Look how big this outdoor speakers. Unbelievable. It's beautiful. And then we have a nice power awning with a 2 LED light on the side. Now, another thing is separate OBX, Outback OBX from the other brand is the window. Has acrylic window, same windows they use on European motorhome. And when we go inside, we'll show you what is the advantage of that. And then here's in the back, you see it's very clean. It has the leopard extended ladder prep, camera prep. It comes already with a receiver. It's enclosed underbelly, so totally sealed underneath. This one has what we call pack and play door, where I could raise this up and I could store as much things I want, some bicycles, toys, whatever I needed. It comes with a leopard tire pressure monitoring. That's another advantage. It comes with it, the control panel as well on the tires. You could see it is right there on the tires. So it's ready. You could put that screen on your truck dashboard and you could see the temperatures and the air of your tires. A beautiful endless hot water heater come with it. And we have one-piece docking stations where you could touch the hot water, cold water, and city water connections and sandy flush. All of it in one location, easy to use. Electric tongue jack with the light. And over here we have slam luggage compartment door. Look how heavy the doors, and they're metal lock, not a plastic, with a solar prep. Solar come with a 220 watt solar panel. It's already on the roof, and the controller right here, as you see, the blue one is the controller. This is the TST leopard tire monitoring. This is the LED light switches in the front, and another storage. So the beauty about this unit is a 17-foot. It's a bunk in the back with a bathroom and a nice bed in the front with metal dining. But a lot of people, they see on this model, they just look at basic, but this is, you need to see the features and the benefit of this unit. Beside, number one, it's aluminum frame, fiberglass, styrofoam insulation, 3-year warranty on structure, 1-year tip to tip, 12 years on the roof. Now we're gonna go inside and see the extra advantage. Why I need to buy the 17BH OBX. As you see, this unit is, everybody make the same floor plan. I'll be honest with you. Every single manufacturer make the same floor plan. But this particular unit is features, benefit, and quality, and the value for your dollars, what they offer you. And people, they requested this. Now, as you see the finishing, like on the dinette, solid wood. Not a cheapy, just a dinette bench. Solid table with 2 legs. Now, it's the big deal here. They give you also cabinet with doors over the dinette. Some of them, they just give you a shelf. So I'm just doing some comparison for you so you could see the benefit between this 17BH and the other brands. Now, one thing I really like is the window. That's where's the money. If you see this window, it has 2 built with a shade in. You see, look, I'm raising the shade. Also built with the screen. And that's the advantage of the acrylic European style windows. This is not normal travel trailer window. This is these windows manufactured in Europe, and they're a little bit costly because the features they provide you. Also, if you notice, is one piece window. Big hole down it is a window. Then you bring this one down, and you could see it's very solid. Nothing gonna happen to it. They've been tested. But what I really like it is whole window is open. So by opening this red latch, now you can see, okay, so you can see now this window is completely open. So I could get a fresh air. I could get the nice view, you see, from the outside while I'm sitting here is eating in my dinette. And even if it's a rainy day, the water is going to be coming down. Now you need to realize this window is a two layers window. So this is the inside, and then you could see the outside layers. So this is a very thick window. It's not like what you think is one piece. No, it's a two pieces. But the advantage for you, it gives you one piece. It's a nice finishing, clean, built in with the screen. So if I want just the fresh air and I don't want no bugs coming in, so I have a nice beautiful screen, and also built in with nice shade at night so nobody could see. So this is the advantage of the Outback OBX 17BH, is the whole windows on this trailer is the European style windows. And then when I want to close it, look, I just go a little bit, I hear the click, and then I bring it down. I close the safety latch as well on this side. Voila. And look how beautiful the view you're gonna get when you go camping. Now, unfortunately, you're seeing right now RVs because it's sitting in the lot. and the nice thing, this window, you have it here. You have one right here. You have one by the kitchen, and then you have one in the upper bunk. Now, across from the dinette, we're gonna show you the beautiful kitchen. Look, all this solid wood. This is not a paper, not a plastic wrap. This is solid wood. Look how deep. As well, you have a storage here in the top of the dinette with the magnet, so it gives you plenty room. And then from there we have a nice hood, light, and a fan. 3 burner range. Now, other competitor of this floor plan, they don't give you oven. This one come with oven. As you see, there's the oven. And then we have cooking pans. And this is what I was talking about. It come with Lippert tire link, where you put the screen on your car or use your cell phone, and then you could monitor the pressures of the tires level while you're driving to give you more safety. Another utensil doors. And then it has the microwave as oven. Now, other brands, they give you the small refrigerator. This one has a fridge, 12 volt, the 5 cubic, one for freezers, one for fridge. And then across from it, I have the bunk. It holds 300 pounds, one sleep here, one sleep there. And each bunk has 110 plug and as well inverter plug. And this one, this is my outside grill. I could use also for storing things. This unit come with a remote control high efficiency. This is the new Furrion air conditions. So this is air conditioned. You could control it here by the temperatures, and then this will open and close based on the air level. And this is the return air filter. Now look, all these beautiful LED lights inside is dim. I could dim them. I could going up, dim them. I have one piece control panel for the monitoring my tanks, my black, fresh, gray, awning light, tank heaters. This has a tank heater for extreme cold weather, so that's mean when you go to extreme cold weather, you could turn this switch on, and what's going to happen, that switch is going to heat the tank so they don't freeze up in the extreme cold weather. And then this is the switch for the awning, and this one for to get power to the fridge or not. Now, When you go to the bathroom, it's a solid door, not a cheapy one. You have a nice cabinet with a fantastic fan and a rain sensor, a big shower tub, perfect for kids. You could sit on the toilet and give bath to the kids. Very roomy, as you see here, with a skylight and shower head. And you're gonna say, "Where's my sink?" Well, guess what? You have a sink here. It's a folding sink. You open the faucet. Voila! I could wash my hand and use the sink, and when I'm done, I could take it away from my way. Let's go to the bed. In the bed, what they did, they give you a nice double bed. Sleep two people easy. I like this storage box. It has even a plug here in case if you want to put CP machines or storage things, your laptop, your phone, iPad. You have window, and then you can sit and watch a beautiful 32-inch smart TV, run of 12 volt on the battery. As I said, it has air condition heater. It's loaded. It's perfect to grab this unit and camp. And all underneath us, we have 4 doors. You know, underneath you have 4. There's storage underneath the dinette. So it's very roomy. It's very light. You could pull with any half-ton. Perfect to take it and go middle of nowhere with you and kids and enjoy the nature. Come to Best RV because we have a price for $24.99. No one in the state of California could even touch our price. Come get it before it's gone. We have only 3 in stock.